Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use alignment in PowerPoint. Why would you want to know how to use alignment in PowerPoint? Well, maybe you are new to PowerPoint. So today I am going to show you how to use alignment in PowerPoint. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, we're going to insert shape. Let's draw a shape. Press Ctrl D, Ctrl D. We have three shapes. Okay, you can adjust them with your hand to make them on one line, or there is another easy way. Go to home, then arrange align left. Again, we can distribute vertically. Yup, that easy guys. We can put one shape on the other one like this, then select them, or we can go make it send to back first, then select them to make them as a group them. It now one shape. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use alignment in PowerPoint, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.